Hello guys, good morning. Ito na naman si Boy Protas guys. Breakfast time na guys. Ito aking breakfast foods. Walang press. 100% luto aking breakfast foods. Yan, talbos ng kamote. Saka bros, saka karne ng karnero. Yan. Yung kanin namin may gulay. Yan. Saka may tea. Yan aking breakfast foods guys. Basta lagi natin tatandaan, ang unang kayamanan dito sa mundong ginagalawan natin ay kalusugan guys. The first wealth in the universe is health. And more cooked foods better than more fresh foods. That's my quotes and observation guys. At saka ito, lagi din natin tatandaan, ano man sobra, masama guys. All excess is bad. For example, busog at saka busog na busog, magkaiba. Yung salitang busog na busog, pumasok yung salitang sobra. Yung gutom at saka gutom na gutom, magkaiba. Yung salitang gutom na gutom, pumasok yung salitang sobra. Yan aking observation guys. At saka ito, lagi din natin tatandaan, always remember, ano man problema, may solusyon. Ihinigay sa problem, there is a solution guys. Huwag natin tip-tipin o kaya isip-isipin ng problema kasi nakakawala ng concentration sa buhay natin araw-araw. It will destroy our good plan in life, our future, if we put in heart and mind a problem. Always say there is a solution.